Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. I am here with another one. All right, we are back with a UNice original. I am so excited to be reviewing headband wigs. You guys have no idea because I'm a working girl. And not only am I a working girl, I'm a Zoom girl, okay? And people have the audacity to want to see your face during Zoom calls. And what better way than to come through? Check it out, mama. Check it out. With a headband wig, okay? We have one long comb in the front, one long comb in the back. No adjustable straps, but you have the band, okay? So you guys can see. Now, this is a 24-inch unit. And mother is beautiful. She's absolutely stunning, okay? And I just want to go right on in and get into her. All right, my loves, we are just going to get right on into this UNice straight human hair headband wig, okay? So we have her in 150% density. This unit is going for just under $200, okay? And don't you worry. I know you guys heard $200 and was like, come on, sis, for real. For real, she's quality hair, so she deserves her $200 price tag. And we always come through with a coupon code. And I'll make sure I leave that in the description box. But let's get on into styling her down. Now, this unit is really big head friendly, like really big head friendly. I enjoyed that. It's more along the lines of a 3/4 wig is what it feels like to me than it does a regular headband half wig. I really cannot get enough of this unit. I didn't experience much tingling. Ooh, I experienced some tingling, but I didn't experience much tangling. I experienced little to no shedding. And I really did like this hair and how it came out. I love bone straight hair and I love a bone straight vibe. And this was very much fun to get together. These headband wigs are so much fun to get together, and I don't want you guys to be shocked by the price because along with the discount, UNice Hair always provides us with the most bangingest gifts, okay? So we love to get a cute little gift with our purchase because you got to make it worth my while, and they absolutely do that. ease and versatility of these units, and especially the headbands. Like, I really think it's so much fun to just go in and dip into all these colorful styles and everything like that and bring your unit to life. So if you have not already, I done gave. Mother done gave. I've been in a singing mood lately. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, I'm really into these headband wigs. They are so easy and effortless. It's not even funny. And I also love the versatility of the headbands and everything like that. And with this unit, you can go through, you can take a look at their headband selection and everything and choose a headband from their selection, or just throw one on that you already have, that you have loved and slayed all the way through. But I love these units. I love the versatility. I love the ability to throw her up in a bun, leave her down, whatever the case may be. She is here for every single occasion, okay? So if you have not already, tell me what you've been feeling about these headband wigs. I've done quite a few, but I'm trying to give you guys different looks, okay? And UNice Hair did not fail to provide, honey. They gave us 24 inches of love, sex, and magic. Press down, subscribe to our channel, join our support group, and I'll see you beautiful mugs later.